The European Union plays a pivotal role in global trade, acting as a powerhouse that shapes economic relationships across the globe. One of the standout agreements in this landscape is the Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement, or CETA, with Canada. This landmark deal eliminates tariffs on a vast majority of goods, making it easier for businesses to trade across the Atlantic. Imagine the impact. Canadian farmers can sell their products in Europe without facing hefty taxes, while European companies gain access to Canadian markets, fostering innovation and competition. But CETA is more than just a trade agreement. It's a blueprint for modern trade relations. It emphasizes not only economic growth, but also the importance of sustainable practices. The EU is committed to ensuring that trade doesn't come at the expense of our environment. This is where the Common Agricultural Policy, or CAP, comes into play. CAP supports farmers while promoting sustainable farming practices. It encourages environmentally friendly methods that protect biodiversity and reduce pollution. By aligning agricultural support with sustainability, the EU is setting a standard for how trade can benefit both economies and the planet. The EU's emphasis on sustainable development is crucial in today's global market. As countries grapple with climate change and resource depletion, the EU is leading the charge by integrating environmental considerations into trade policies. This approach not only enhances the EU's global standing but also influences trade practices worldwide. Other nations are beginning to recognize that sustainable trade is not just a trend, it's a necessity for long-term prosperity. In essence, the EU's trade policies, particularly through agreements like CETA and initiatives like CAP, reflect a commitment to fostering economic growth while prioritizing sustainability. This dual focus is reshaping global trade practices, encouraging countries to adopt similar frameworks that balance economic interests with environmental responsibilities. The EU is not just a player in the global market, it's a leader, showing that trade can be both profitable and responsible.